This is Realme 12 and today I'll show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the battery category, and here go for the power saving mode. Now enable it, or you can also enable the super power saving mode, which will, save your battery life even more aggressively and strip your phone down to its, bare bones, should I say. It just leaves out only the most essential functions such as the phone app, messages, clock, and so on. If you would like to exit the ultra power saving mode, just tap at this icon here. And that'll be it, more or less, for this video. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.